Hello. Hi. Good morning, children. Okay, today we are going to learn English. Hari ni kita nak belajar bahasa Inggeris. Okay, before we start our class, we are going to do our routine. Okay, what day is... Assalamualaikum, children. Good morning, children. Okay, what day is today? Today is Friday. How about the date? 26th of February 2021. How about the weather? It is sunny today. Okay, we already listened to this song, right? Now we are going to sing it. Okay, before this we have learned A, Ah, B, B, and also C, K, right? Okay, let's sound it together. Ah. Ah is for apple. Ah is for aeroplane. Ah is for arrow. And Ah is for alligator. Very good. How about B? B. B is for ball. B is for balloon. What else? B is for blue. Very good. And B is for bear. Okay. Now we are going to listen to a K sound. K. K. Okay. K is for cat. Very good. K is for cow. K is for car. And also K is for carrot. Very good. Okay, today we are going to listen to a new sound. The sound is T, 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 T. Okay, let's listen to the sound. Okay, T, T sound. Okay, T is for tree. Yes, T is for tree. T is for toys. Wow, so many toys. T is for toys. T is for tiger. Very good. T is for tiger. And also T is for train. T is for train. Train, tiger, toys, tree. T. Very good. Okay, after this, you can do the module that I've given to you. Explore alphabet, read and trace. T, 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 T. Do the this page and also this page. T is for tiger. The alphabet is T and the sound is T. This is the uppercase and this is the lowercase. Okay, after that you can do the exercise book 7. Don't forget to make a line and also write the day and also the date. Friday, 26th of February 2021. Write T 5 times and sound it t, 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 t. And don't forget to draw. If you like to draw a tree, you can draw a tree. Whether you can draw a tree, tiger, toys, or train. Draw the object that you like. T for tree. Teacher, draw tree and then color the picture. Okay, at the end of the lesson, children are able to recognize and sound out letter of the alphabet. Alphabet T, the sound is T. Don't forget to snap your worksheet and your exercise book 7. T for tree, or T for tiger, or T for train. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.